Welcome to Math Easy Peasy, and in today's class, we shall be finding the perimeter of irregular shapes. Now, the first irregular shape on the board is just like a T-shape, and whenever you're looking for the perimeter of a shape, all the sides must be given. It means you must allocate measurement to all the sides. Now, from our diagram on the board, some sides are missing, but it is very easy to determine the size of these sides. So the first thing we must do is to determine the size of the unknown sides. Let's first of all look at the first question, the first one there. Now, if this part is 20, this other side is adjacent to it. Both of them are perpendicular lines, so it must be what? 20 cm. Now, from our question, we discovered this part is 32 centimeters. And this part is 8 centimeters. And these two parts and this part are supposed to be equal to the 32 centimeters. And this part and this part are equal. So, what the first thing we must do is to take away 8 from 32. And we'll take away 8 from 32, we have 24. Then we'll divide the 24 by 2. So, each of these parts are simply 12 centimeters each. Now, this part is parallel to this part. This is also 4cm. With this, we can look for the perimeter. Perimeter P will be equal to 20 plus 12 plus 4 plus 32 plus another 4 plus 12 plus 20 plus an 8. Close the bracket, put our centimeters. Now, so as we started with our 20, followed by the 12, followed by the 4, followed by the 32, and the other 4, the 12, the 20, and the last thing we had there was the 8, this 8 down there. So that's all. So with that, we can solve, add them together to have our final answer. So with this 20 plus 12 gives us 32. 32 plus 4 gives us 36. 36 plus 32 gives us 68. 68 plus 4, 72. 72 plus 12 gives us 84. 84 plus 20 gives us 104. And 104 plus 8 gives us 112. So our final answer will be 112 centimeters. That is the perimeter of the shape. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. Thank you for watching. See you in our next class. Please hit the notification bell, hit the subscription button, and do well to ask me questions on the comment section. Bye.